Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to insert and remove SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. At first need to take a pin. I'm already at a SIM card. I'm just remove, that's been change. Just put in. Then you get SIM tray. Just press on to remove the SIM card, and I'm just add another SIM card on side to another side, showing here to SIM option. So you just follow the SIM corner, round shape, just add easily. Okay, now add, and I'm just put in here. So I'm just add. Okay, now successfully add this SIM card.